What it do, YouTube? We back. You know what it is, the vibes. Late night. On my way to the Waffle House. Hey, can I get a sausage biscuit? Hey, excuse me. Well, come on a sausage biscuit. Yeah, my people who was born in the 90s know that song. Cause we was outside the schoolyard when that song came out. Like facts. You gotta know I ain't going for that. I ain't going for that. But hey man, how y'all day going? Hey, what y'all been up to? Man, like I ain't seen y'all since yesterday. It might have been yesterday. Yeah. But nah, for real, man. I hope y'all day going well. Your night went well. Whatever time of day you watching this, I hope everything's going good for you. Like I always say, man, I hope your crush is being faithful. She ain't liking no post on social media. She's not laughing at anybody. No emojis or none of that. Police. Boy. They be lurking. Oh, they be lurking. Oh, scroll this down. On me. They ain't pull out. I guess we good, guys. We're good. I was only going 7 over the speed limit. I don't hang where I used to. You can't go where I'm at. Facts. Like, hey, excuse me, man. What come on the sauce and biscuit? It's like I already said, man, y'all going y'all own time. It ain't even 11 o'clock yet. Time said, don't worry about it. The other man, shopper on his tour bus, living like the Taliban. Well, that's like a new police car with nothing on it. Make them do the dash behind this one. Yeah, this ain't that long of a ride. Just taking a different route. Now I might well go to the Waffle House. Hey, can I get 20 sausage biscuits? Hey, excuse me, man, we'll come on the sausage biscuit. If you know what song it is, hey, put it down in the comments. And you can name the group that sung it. Hey, you real goated in it. Like facts. This is a funny thing. So these two roads, Gadsden Road, Dixon Road, literally hit downtown all the way to Rivergate. I think past Rivergate, like Hendersonville. It's just funny, like two roads just go straight and go to the same place. But less people be on Dixon Road just because of the stigma of what it is. To be honest, only place I ever really seen traffic on Dickinson Road is at the Walmart. Walmart and Skyline. Okay, literally across the street from each other. Well, the streets to get to them is literally across the street from each other. Outside of that, I don't see traffic anywhere else. Conspiracy theory. Yep, you play with my intelligence. You don't know one, you can tell it. Oh, I'm hungry. Mouth drooling from that Waffle House. Pause. Yeah, pause. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, life is great. Blessings on blessings. I wish blessings on everyone watching this and those that surround you. Like, just knowing that you're truly blessed is one of the greatest feelings. It's like, hey, you're really blessed. And don't take it for granted. Look, I know I'm driving slow under the speed limit, but you can't be driving slower than me driving under the speed limit. The speed limit 50. I'm going 45. Now I'm 44. Like, ain't no way. And now they're going to want to speed up. That church look haunted. Go Hunter's Lane. Hunter's Lane. I ain't gonna call it what other people call it. I'm gonna be respectful. I got a couple of homies that went there, so I'm gonna keep respectful unless they diss my school. They doing road work. They said merge left, and then it said keep going left. I can't tell somebody in the street. Well, they be getting on my nerves, this road work. Yeah, hurry up and let me through. I have to open the road up. We got a sunroof. I got a question. Which one would you rather do in the construction when you do road work? Would you want to be the person to direct traffic or the one that actually doing the labor? Me personally, I can't stand still that long. I be like, we need to take another break. I need to sit down. Let me walk around. Can I go down to the other end? Let's walk. Well, I'm walking the whole time, just walking around. I can't stand still, especially on no concrete. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob. Not a gangster, sir. I just wanted some 25s. Facts. Do it. Sometimes another thing, this is probably why this road got a bad rap. It's still trailer parks on this road. Like, they trying to make it better. Like, they had a new little restaurant and hotel right here. The Walmart ain't that old. Skyline is pretty old. Probably like 20-something years old. Walmart a cool 15-ish, maybe 15, about 15. I think I was driving by the time this one opened up. Oh, somebody dog barking. Oh man, red light after red light. Somebody's car broke down. Did somebody rob? I will record, but this car right next to me. But man, they just got the hood open. Y'all got faith in society. I would not leave. If my car broke down, I'm not leaving it unlocked. I'm not leaving the hood open, the trunk open, the side door, the roof, the window, nothing. Everything getting closed and locked. It's just really, people got that much faith in society. Like, nobody gonna touch this. Well, your car be scraps. Going to the scrap meet. Uh-oh, we at the Waffle House. Can I get a sauce and biscuit? Hey, excuse me, man. What comes on the sauce and biscuit? All right. We here now. Man, hey, thank y'all for riding me to the Waffle House. I'm about to eat good. But I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.